is actually out of the door. Today is a gloomy, rainy day. I have some outdoor appointments, but I don't know. Let's see whether the rain stops and then maybe it's possible. If not, then I'll just be right home working. I have some work to do and also some online courses to take and just YouTube University, because I have to upskill and build on my already existing skill. So yeah, today is just a regular day, nothing spectacular. Also, I have my peppermint tea here, and which is very suitable for the weather. Yes.
Worried about things that I'm gonna achieve if I keep on doing what I'm doing.
Yeah.
Cause obviously I can't already be where I wanna be without passing through where I am. Without coming out of where I'm from, which is where I am basically. But you know, because I've been making moves, I'm in a direction. Now I'm focusing on this here instead of the direction and the momentum. I was so worried, hey? But thankfully, I saw you that day. And then yesterday when I woke up in the morning, I'm like, no man, something is off, something is wrong. Like, I keep going back to those old mistakes. And I'm realizing, no, but it's fine to go back to those old mistakes because that's the old system that I'm working against, that I'm trying to get out.
Yeah,
so it's normal for me to get back there. I just
every
have to
once
keep
in a
fighting.
while. Yes.
I just have to keep. So
So we're here to get props for a photo shoot, and we're at the aisle, and we're about to get some props and look to see what they have here. Are you seeing what you like?
I think I could count on you. I'm just liking this space.
Oh, come on. Look at that. Oh my god, I need to get one like ASAP. And we're about to meet each other.
Look at that.
Okay.
Hey, what's up? Are you good?
It's raining, dude. Where do we go?
Oh, I'm coming, alright?
Where do we
What
go?
you think? You gonna come
You know,
down?
it's better to stick together in this rain
Yeah, but you know,
for
it's
warmth.
cold and
You know?
It's cloudy. Can you see?
Yeah.
Can you see that far?
Yeah. Oh. Thank you. So guys, I'm back from the grocery shop. This is a mini grocery haul. This is not usually what I buy in a month, but what I buy when I want to like stock up or just I'm craving a particular thing. And yeah, I've not had jollof in 3 weeks, so I'm really craving jollof, my own jollof, the one I cook. And I thought to buy some things for that, so I bought some chicken, eggs because I need to stock up. I bought some already made coleslaw and beetroots that will go with the jollof rice because I don't have time or even the strength to make this myself. I bought some snacks. I love the snacks. I love the snacks. I usually buy the jalapeno or this one, but yeah, I love it. Some oil, some white onions, tomato of course because jollof, garlic, ginger paste, tomato paste, bananas. I don't usually buy so much so that it doesn't rot fast because I'm not someone that eats things like that. I eat, I eat when I feel hungry or when I'm craving something. So banana is not like my favorite, but I eat it like every once in a while. And then some chili. My go-to is usually habanero, but they didn't have habanero, so I bought these ones instead. And then yeah, rice because I need to stock up on the one I already have. I think it's already half on the container, so I'll just top up with this. And yeah, that's it. That's my grocery haul. Good morning guys, it's currently 7:57. I have an appointment today for my locks and a retie. I'm so excited, as you can see, right? So I woke up this morning, I did my bed, I did laundry because that laundry basket has been looking at me and I've been looking at it, and yeah, finally I got to it today. I'm hoping it doesn't rain because we're already in autumn and it's feeling a bit chilly this morning, hence I'm wearing this. But yeah, my loctician gave me an appointment for 8 and it's 7:57. It's like 5 minutes ride from my place, so I'm not really in a rush. But yeah, I'm going to retrieve my log. I think when I come back I'll be able to sit down and give you like my log core, how it started, how long it's been, and all of that. But for now, let me go and get a free facelift. because all this while I was folding my laundry, I was talking and I didn't know that it was not recording. Yeah. Today is that day, you know. Today is that day that you experience what other content creators experience when they tell you that they put on their camera and they thought it was recording or the audio was not functioning. Oh my god. And I said a lot of things and now I'm thinking of how to, okay, don't dwell in that. Take two. So guys, yeah, today was a good day. You've seen my hair and my nails. Yeah, I said I was going to say something about my locks. Next month would make it 2 years that I've been locked, and it has been an amazing experience. First of all, having my locks has made me love myself so much more than I thought I would. Secondly, it has made me learn to exist as I am. You know, sometimes you have your outgrowth and you feel that need to want to make it look pretty like this, but then you tell yourself, but this is my hair and it grows like this, and you just learn to accept yourself the way you are. Locks help you do that. Thirdly, it teaches you patience.
Yeah. And you know, women, man, I respect women.